Hi, in this video I am going to tell you how could you create a link for your lecture plan. In the last video what I have discussed, how could we create a embedded video inside our course. So first of all, just take a look on that. Go to your course, there is a link. If I click on that, a video, embedded video is open, and that can be maximized or minimized. So that is the video, and now I would like to put the video link of this video in our lecture plan. So for that, go back to here. Just right click on this link, copy link address. This is my Linux system, so in Windows system similar option would be there. So right click on the link, right click on the this link which you have created, and choose the option copy link address or similar type of option in Windows system. Now a link is created. Now you could store this link to your lecture plan file. So since I have copied the Moodle link to demonstrate that, just this is the link which is copied from the Moodle. Now you can notice that this link is of Moodle link, and that video link which originally available on the YouTube, now that link is converted to some other link, and this link is of our Moodle link. Now only those students can see this video who have login on our LMS system, the Moodle system. So that is the thing, and you could see the original video link here from here. Just turn it on, and then to go for this thing. So that for the same video, this is the YouTube link, and for the same video, this is our Moodle link. So in our lecture plan, we have to put this link and not this one. Thank you.